How can we empower employees with information and secure productivity with good quality outcomes? Digital work instructions can be used to further empower our employees and increase their productivity. Given the rapid changing of different products in these recent years, there are many instructions that each worker must keep in their memory in order to correctly produce their goods. In specific industries where a lot of assembly work still needs to be done by human hands, that means a lot of instructions must be memorized or trained before. And during the course of production, it is best if the workers have some form of material for them to keep reference of and ensure that they're taking the right procedures. Conventionally, in current factories, many of this material are paper-based mediums. So that provides the risk that some of this sensitive material may be taken away from the production line and leaked outside. And also there's the difficulty of ensuring that the right version of the document is issued during production changeover. And lastly, because these printouts are often used for one single time for each different product variation, that creates a lot of waste. With Work Mentor package, which includes the eManual I.App, we can easily provide all these instructions in the digital medium. It's very easy to edit text and multimedia, including images, short videos, and also animated images to provide meaningful instructions to the worker that's on the workstation. And also, we can also use barcodes or QR codes or other sensing methods, including AI, to help confirm that the employee has put together the final product in compliance to their instructions. Here we can see on screen is our digital instruction editor. This is a web-based interface which our process engineers or industrial engineers can very easily put together in the instructions for each different product and the variations. We can also upload different images and multimedia to be attached with each instruction. Now, after editing the instructions, we can see that it is filed according to each of the different product makes or product family. When receiving a work instruction, the work order information can be helpful for the worker to find the corresponding guidance document or automatically triggered. Here, once they have shown the corresponding work manual, the digital instructions show on screen with a breakdown of different steps. And also, we can see whether if a timer is needed to measure each of the different steps and their completion time, and also different guidance material that's shown on screen as the steps is progressed. With each production line, it is the best if we have some form of touch panel or a heads-up display for the worker at their workstation to view the work instructions. Also, the edited digital information is hosted on the server side and can be deployed to all these workstations upon the commission of each different work order. If you would like to know more, please feel free to contact us from the link below and inquire for a demo. Thank you.